is Nigel, my 1976 MGB, and today we're going to be doing an oil change. So here we've got our oil, our 20W50 Castrol, good stuff. Conventional is just fine for these old MGs. And we've got our oil filter, but we've also got one other thing. We've got our high mileage oil treatment, specifically our zinc additive. So what is a zinc additive? So what is a zinc additive and why is it important? Zinc, or ZDDP, short for
Zinc diphosphate phosphate,
isn't important in modern engines. And in fact, zinc can actually damage catalytic converters, which is what auto manufacturers discovered in the 1970s, which led to them removing zinc content from their oils. So why do we care that modern oils don't contain zinc? Well, the MGB, and in fact, lots of cars from the era, have what's called a flat tappet camshaft. Whereas modern engines have roller camshafts, which work just fine with modern oils, this old flat tappet setup needs a lot more protection. So as our camshaft is spinning away in the engine, these lobes here are smacking into our flat tappets, lifting our push rods, and opening and closing our valves, causing our engine to function as an engine should. And this happens thousands of times a minute. Over time, regular oil struggles to provide a good enough barrier between this surface and this surface. Back in the 60s and 70s, our oil contained zinc, which formed a sacrificial coating within the engine. So there's a microscopic barrier between our flat tappet and our cam lobe, which helped it last a lot longer. So when you add a zinc additive to your engine, the zinc will react with the carbon in the steel and will provide that extra layer of protection that regular oil doesn't provide, allowing our camshaft and our tappets to last a lot longer.